Hello, my name is Mike Nolan, and I'm from Orange County, California. I've been a police officer for the last 13 years. During my time as a police officer, I've had the opportunity to work patrol, field training division, taser instructor, SWAT, and detectives. Additionally, I've held supervisory roles as an acting sergeant in both detectives and patrol. Currently, I hold an advanced post certification and a bachelor's degree in administration of justice. Also, I'm pursuing a master's degree in public administration. Oftentimes, I'm asked why I chose to become a police officer. I chose to become a police officer because there's nothing else I can do. That's not to say that I'm not qualified to do anything else, but there is no other profession in the world that would give me the same sense of passion and personal fulfillment than going out every day and putting on a uniform and serving my community. I take pride in my profession, and I want to work with an agency that shares that same sense of pride, and I look forward to the opportunity to join your organization and contribute to your community. Thank you for your time.